I'll move over. I'm wanting a little horse and down. We're going to go straight to hell. Well, she's still over, look. She's kicking over, look. Oh my god. Oh shit, it's not funny anymore. You want to call someone? She's got a really bad injury. Yeah, she's got increasement. Oh, that's fine. Hey, no. Shit. I thought she was going to pass out.
That's a big chunk of.
Yeah, I know. Tell me about it. She's fainted. Where'd you go, look? Oh, yeah.